Experiencing issues with your Verizon number transfer PIN? Here's how to fix it. First, regenerate a new PIN via the My Verizon app or website under Account Settings, Manage Account PIN. The PIN is a 6-digit code, valid for 30 days. Ensure your account is active, not delinquent, and that you're using two-factor authentication, 2FA, to verify your identity. Common problems include expired PINs, account holds due to unpaid bills, or incorrect PIN entry. If problems persist, reset the PIN or contact Verizon support via live chat or by calling 611. Remember, the PIN helps protect against unauthorized number porting. The Verizon number transfer PIN serves as a key security measure when switching carriers. This PIN prevents unauthorized transfers and ensures only you can port your number. To port your number, your new carrier will request this PIN. Generate it through your Verizon account online or via the My Verizon app. The PIN is delivered via email or SMS and expires after 30 days to prevent misuse. You can regenerate it anytime through your account. After providing the PIN to your new carrier, the porting process typically takes 1 to 24 hours. eSIM technology can significantly reduce this time. Follow these steps to activate eSIM on compatible devices. If issues arise, verify you're using an authorized device and that the request aligns with industry standards. Contact Verizon support if problems persist, as they may require proof of account ownership.